Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey mustard wing sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of golden honey, 1/4 cup of tangy Dijon mustard, and 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Also, have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder ready. A pinch of salt and pepper will round out our flavor profile perfectly. This combination creates a balanced and delicious sauce. Now, let's combine our core flavors. Pour the 1/2 cup of honey into your mixing bowl. Next, add the 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, which provides that signature zesty note. Then, gently fold in the 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Using a whisk, thoroughly combine these 3 ingredients until the mixture is smooth and uniform. This forms the rich and creamy base of our delicious honey mustard sauce. To enhance our sauce, we'll now add some depth and spice. Pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tang that cuts through the sweetness. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for a warm, aromatic touch. Finally, add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Whisk everything together one last time, ensuring all the flavors are beautifully integrated. Taste and adjust if needed. Your homemade honey mustard wing sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for coating crispy chicken wings, but don't stop there. Try it as a dipping sauce for chicken tenders, a spread for sandwiches, or even a dressing for salads. For any leftovers, simply transfer the sauce to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay wonderfully fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.